Hello everyone and welcome to Fifth North. I'm Demir and today I'm taking a close look at the Jefferson shoe by REV'IT. I have a number of different riding shoes and riding boots, but they are all clearly motorcycle gear. What I mean by this is that even if you were a person who wasn't into bikes, you would look at my shoes and go, "Yup, clearly you're not wearing regular shoes." So because of that, I was in the market for a riding shoe that had all the usual riding shoe protective features, but that looked more like a regular shoe. Something that I could wear just out and about, and if you were not in the know, you would look at it and go, that's a cool normal sneaker. Let's take a look at the Jefferson shoes up close. As you can see, they look like a super casual shoe that you would wear out and about with a pair of jeans. Almost like an Air Jordan or another mid to high top sneaker. This particular color is the light gray by gray, and the Jefferson shoes also come in an all black and an olive by white. Let's talk about the construction of the shoe. It is made out of a nubuck leather, synthetic leather, and a washed canvas. They look almost like they have a suede finish, but it's not actually suede. Wrapping around the shoe, you have a synthetic microfiber, which gives the shoe some extra reinforcements for increased longevity. The shoes also have a thermoformed reinforcement at the ankle with a puck on both sides, and a heel cup, which holds your foot in place and disperses impact energy. Speaking of protection features, the Jefferson shoes also have a thermoformed toe cup and a heel cup, as well as a reflective strip at the heel. They are EN 13634 CE certified. From a composition standpoint, the Jeffersons are 70% leather, 30% polyester. REV'IT considers these shoes a regular fit and makes them in European sizing with US conversion charts. Now, speaking of charts, I don't know what REV'IT was thinking or who translated the sizes for them, but they are completely off. For example, I wear a USA size 12, and per all the size charts that I could find online, the 12 is a 45, sometimes a 46 in European sizes. But on REV'IT's size chart and on the shoes themselves, a 45 is considered a USA 10.5. Now remember, I wear a USA size 12, so there's no way that a 10.5 size shoe should fit me. Well, these so-called 10.5s fit me just as well as all my other size 12 shoes do. This means that REV'IT has their sizes all mixed up, and so the lesson here is that if you wear a size 12 in US shoes, get a size 45 for the Jeffersons for a normal fit, or if you want a slightly loose fit, get a size 46. These shoes also have a partially perforated outer shell to aid in ventilation, though it is only on one side of the shoe, and are said to come with an extra pair of laces in a different color, even though mine came with an extra pair of laces in the exact same color. On the front of the shoe, you have this pad, which will provide protection against gear shifter wear, and the tongue is padded for extra comfort and extra protection. Lastly, the side panels are reinforced, and the shoes feature a Ortholite insole with X40 foam. This is going to provide excellent comfort, and it is surrounded by mesh on the top of the inside of the shoe. Another nice touch is the pull tab on the back, which makes it easier to put the shoes on and to carry them around. And I think that the REV'IT logo on the back works really well without being too over the top. Normally, I wouldn't ride with shorts on, but I'm wearing some now. That way you guys get a better view of the shoe rather than having my riding jeans cover them. I'm sitting on my VIT-Pillin 401, and as you can see, I am quite comfortable and able to shift in these shoes without issue. And here's what it looks like as I'm flat-footing while sitting on the bike. Overall, I love the look of the Jefferson shoes and feel that they're a very good value at $189.99 at the time of filming this video. If you're looking to purchase them, feel free to click on the affiliate link in the description below, as it does help support my channel. I'm happy from a looks standpoint, a comfort standpoint, and I feel they have very good protection, and the reflective touch helps the visibility to my liking. Overall, I'm very happy with these shoes. The sole is stiff and thick enough to provide a great platform when riding, but the shoes are also still very comfortable and casual enough to work as a regular off-the-bike shoe. If I had to be nitpicky, I wish that there was a Velcro strap or a Velcro cover over the top of the laces, just to ensure that my laces stay away from the bike's controls, but either way, I like the shoes nonetheless. Again, overall, I'm very happy with the Jefferson shoes from REV'IT, and I think they're an excellent choice for off the bike and for on the bike in the spring, summer, and fall. I would say in the winter, I would pick something that breathes a little bit less and is waterproof. Plus, I'd hate to ruin the finish of these shoes with too much exposure to the elements. That's it for the Jefferson shoes from REV'IT. What are your thoughts? Do you like them? Do you have questions? Either way, drop it in the comments down below. Alright, thank you for watching, and remember, if you like this video, hit the like button for me, and if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button for me as well, as it does help my channel out quite a bit. Alright, now that this video is done, it's time for another ride. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.